Here's how to create and sell a Game Pass and please donate. First of all, go ahead and find a stand and please donate and claim it by holding E. If you don't have any Game Passes, you will need to create one. So exit the please donate and go to the Roblox website. Then open a new tab and go to create.roblox.com. Then go to creations. Then go to my experiences and select any one experience that you prefer. Now scroll down and go to the monetization section and select passes. From the passes, tap on create a pass to create a new one. You can go ahead and add a picture if you want. And then after, enter a name of your pass. You can also add a description, then tap on create pass. Select your game pass, then go to the sales section and enable item for sale and also set a default price for this one, and then tap on save changes, which is highlighted in blue color. And now return to the please donate and claim a stand, and your Game Pass should now be available for sale. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.